y'all, Pro Exterior Services here again. Got a driveway. So on this job, we got called for a driveway cleaning. And you know, it's kind of tough to come out just for a driveway cleaning. So I talked to him, and you got it, Tony? Good. Talked to him, and we decided to include the 3 neighbors. Boom, boom, boom. So we got 4 of them. So we're gonna go ahead and knock them out. We're just getting water set up, just pulled up. Last job of the day. We'll catch up with you in a minute. Peace. All right, guys, we've got some stains here, so I'm just doing a 50-50 LA Awesome and water. It may help. I was very transparent with him when we quoted this job. I said, look, normally to get grease out of it, it's very tough. My experience, this never comes out. But we could see anything we could do to lighten it. So that's what I'm doing here. And I know a spray would be a lot better, and I need to get one, but we don't do this too much. So we're gonna go ahead and hit it with this, let that marinate while Tony gets set up. He rebuilt the truck here, I think, or something. Let that sun bake it in. Looking good. And then there is some paint that I told him that I don't know if we're gonna be able to get up as well. I always set the expectation. If you don't know, set the expectation. So see right here, here's the paint. See the red? See, here's the spot too. Well, hey Tony, get the blower too. Let that work in. Little spot right here. Looks good. See it here? It's already turning brown. Look at that. We'll be working pretty good at LA Awesome. Another little coat on this big one. Looking good. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and get rolling. Like I said, got a call for one. I said, look, man, if you can get 3 or 4 neighbors together, make it worth the while, it'll benefit everybody. And like I said, we got him, and her. Knock them all out. And this is not a bad gig for us. So we've got water hooked up, so we're flowing good. We can just stay connected right here and just roll them all out. There's not much through traffic in here, but anyway, we'll catch up in a minute. Peace. All right, guys, we got some SH in the line now. So we're gonna go ahead and get the soaping. I always like the soap from my, or post treat from my furthest point. That way, I don't have no problems. Let's get a test pattern, see? There you go. And I always try to walk backwards, but if there's a wood door, I go this way first. And then I walk this way. You see some heavy growth. And this year it's kind of a pain, to be honest with you. Because you're holding water, you know, driveways are cool and everything. And we're making a nice little lick here with all these properties, but sorry, that post treat's gonna get rid of a lot of that, all them lines. Got 3% on here. And don't try to drag your line in the SH if you don't have to. Tony's almost done that driveway. Look at that. Being efficient. That's what life's about, baby. Okay, done. Next. Alright guys, catch up with you on the rebound. Peace. Third one. I'll show you these grease spots. It helped a little bit, but it didn't come completely out. All the lines are gone, which is good. It looks a lot better, but them grease spots, man. And I don't have hot water. And I don't want hot water. Because I don't want to do that stuff. Not my nature. We got Anthony on the third one. We just got that one to knock out. We'll be rolling. Double feeding the tank, so we got a full tank. Using a lot of water. I got the 12 volt out. Just post-treated this one. Let's check it out. Using, I upped it to about a 4%. So, looks good. It'll look brand new here in a minute. As soon as that sun beats it up. And we already blew everything off. We just rolling. And I got my stuff parked here because that's where this guy lived. But, you know, all these cars and everything are kind of rolling over my stuff. I don't like that. But it is what it is. We already cut in, so all the cut-in's done. Just gotta get it done. Look how dirty this stuff is. Nasty. And every one of these people are gonna give me a review. That's part of the deal. I kind of hooked them up with the end of the day nice ticket. And I said, look, they gotta give me a review. Let's check this out. Oh man, it's gonna be a problem. A little bitty area. The problem is, I can see water being held up right here. It's okay. We need to, we got that sludge sucker. But this one came out nice. Very nice. Looks brand new. So we'll probably pick up some more work in here, but we're for sure gonna sign all these houses up on an annual. They have 2 bags. But that's part of the deal as well. So anyway, always looking out. Catch up. Peace. I'm just taking over for Tony. He's picking up a bunch of stuff, so we're gonna get rolling. Get ready for the time lapse.
Fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light, ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah, but I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on this shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these things I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death. To be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread with every word that I've said. How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel?
Got it all done. Here's one. Well, let's just start over here. Make it equal. See how it looks with that post treat. Oh yeah, popping. So we got one. We got two. Just the guy who called. Him and I talked about it. Always work those arrangements with your customer, because you never know. A lot of them hang out with neighbors and get them a little bit of a break if you come out. There's one. There's another one. It smells like a swimming pool in here. Up at 4% just in case. And we got this one here. This one's looking good. Just finished this one. Packed up the truck. We ready to roll. Shut it down. Shut it down. All right, guys. We'll catch you on a wrap up. All right, peace. Back at the house. Made some good contacts. Got some annuals. Getting reviews. Had a good day. Had those 4 driveways at the end of the day. Figured I filmed that because I haven't, well, we've done a lot of flat work. Flat work's just not my thing. It's okay. But anyway, it was a good day. We did 3 houses and the 4 driveways. So it was a good day. Rig worked out perfect. All right, guys. Appreciate all the likes, subs, calls, comments. Keep them coming. Peace.